Sometime, when the Cloverfolk got bored, they'd like to take a stroll on the water. I got this Cloverfolk warrior I like to call Lute, and this stick as an oar. I also got this boat-shaped leaf, and this stand to hold the leaf boat on. I put it all together, and started digging a hole for the water. I put a rag and put some dirt around the rag, added the water, and then gently put Lute and his boat in the water. Then got ready. And there it is, the final picture. For more content, make sure to like and subscribe.